So, hello and welcome to Excel BI Challenge 111. Something about numbers and their length in English language for the individual digits. So let's see. First, download the case or the challenge. There it is. So now what do we need to do? We need to do an sequence. Let's call it S for sequence from. So here we need a difference to have them in the proper order. Start with from. Step is 1, so step will be fine. Plus 1. I see. So here we have the sequence for one solution. And now we need to look out because we need to have the individual digits. So I concat that together and then I split it with the usual mid sequence split thing. Mid S sequence len von S, and now you see we have all the individual digits here. Let's make it numbers again. Then can I use choose here? Let's see. So 0, 1. So choose index number 2, 3. No choose. Oh yeah, we can use choose here with if error. So what does choose do? Choose is somehow like an if-else function, but it's only usable if you have like indexes. And here we have index numbers. So we have like the number, and we can do, because we need to have the length of the word as an output, we need to have we need to have an index, and then so if SP is 1, the length of one of the word 1 is 3. So here we would have 3, and then this is the next value. So if the index is 2, so also 3 characters long, the index will output 3. So let's take a look here. So we would have 3, 3, because here's a 1, here's a 2, and here's a also 1. 3 is 5 characters long. So you see, now we make the list for all the English words. So 4 is 4 characters long, 5 also, 6 is 3 characters long, 7 is 5 characters long, 8 also, 8 is also 5 characters long, and 9 is 4 characters long. And then we need an if error, because 0 isn't a valid index number. And then if the so without this if error, we would have this as an output, so like those numbers. And now with the if error, because we only have an error with the 0, so 0 is 4 characters long, and then we can sum all this. And now we have the solution for this answer, and we've solved it for only one row, and now we use the map function to solve it for all the rows. Lambda f and t for from and to, t f f, close the brackets. Now as you can see, the solution is the same. That was a funny one. So like I've used the choose function here, it's a handy function if you have something similar with like index numbers. I use it more often than you think. So if you want to have it short and structured and don't want to use an if-s and you have index numbers, then feel free to use the choose function. The other things aren't that common, so like here, so aren't that complicated. So like here, concat it all together to split it then. Yeah, also a short little trick. Thank you for your attention. See you next time.